Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up iCloud Drive and desktop sync on Windows. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by downloading iCloud for Windows from the Apple website. Install the application by double-clicking the downloaded file. Once the installation is complete, open iCloud for Windows. Sign in using your Apple ID and password. After signing in, look for the option labeled iCloud Drive. Check the box next to iCloud Drive to enable it. Next, click on Options next to iCloud Drive. Here, you can choose to sync your desktop and documents. Check the boxes for desktop and documents to enable syncing. Click Done to save your changes. Now, click the Apply button to implement the settings. Once the sync is complete, open File Explorer on your Windows computer. Look for iCloud Drive listed in the left sidebar. You can now access your files seamlessly. Any changes you make to your documents or desktop will sync across your Apple devices. To ensure everything is working, create a new file in the iCloud Drive. This file should automatically appear on your other devices. If you face any issues, ensure you have a stable internet connection. You can adjust sync settings anytime through the iCloud for Windows app. This setup allows for efficient file management across devices. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment in. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.